Welcome back to Caring Guy, where we explore the latest and most powerful drone innovations. Today, we're taking flight with the ES800 Pro Drone, a compact, foldable powerhouse packed with cutting-edge tech for both beginners and serious aerial photographers. Let's start with the design. The ES800 Pro features a sleek, fully enclosed frame made from durable ABS plastic, giving you a safe and sturdy drone that's easy to carry anywhere. Its foldable design makes it the perfect travel companion for outdoor adventures or cinematic shots on the go. Under the hood, this drone runs on a brushless motor system, delivering quiet, efficient, and reliable performance. Combined with 6-axis gyroscope stability, every flight is smooth, responsive, and easy to control. Now let's talk about its intelligence. Equipped with GPS positioning and optical flow technology, the ES800 Pro maintains perfect stability even in windy conditions. It features infrared obstacle avoidance sensors, so you can fly confidently through tight spaces without fear of collision. And of course, the camera. You get dual 8K HD lenses with an electrically adjustable 90 degrees camera angle, giving you full control over your aerial shots. Capture vivid, ultra-clear photos or cinematic videos with real-time FPV transmission straight to your phone via 5G Wi-Fi. You can even draw your flight path on the app, and the drone will automatically follow it for effortless, cinematic movement. Flight performance is impressive. With 3 flight speeds, low, medium, and high, and a flight time of up to 10 minutes, you can choose the right mode for your skill level or environment. Use the one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, or one-click return to make every flight simple and beginner-friendly. The ES800 Pro also comes loaded with fun features like 360-degree stunt rolls, LED navigation lights for night flying, and gesture photo controls. Just raise your hand to snap a picture. Battery and convenience. With a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, fast charging time, and lightweight 17 cm frame, the ES800 Pro is built for performance and portability. It even comes with a storage bag, extra propellers, and an 8GB memory card, making it a complete kit ready to fly out of the box. Whether you're a first-time flyer or a drone enthusiast, the ES800 Pro combines innovation, power, and fun in one sleek package. Ready to upgrade your aerial game? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Caring Guy for more smart drone and tech reviews every week.